Welcome, my name is VIVO Y70 and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, we'll need to open up the files app, so let's look for it. It looks like it's right over here. From there, scroll down and you should see your two storages. If that is not the case, which looks like we actually don't have any options here, so it must be the case. But sometimes you'll have three dots, an option to show storage or show internal storage, something like that. So from here, I'm gonna go to the internal storage and quickly, DCIM folder will contain pictures, videos captured with the device. Downloads folder will contain anything that you have obviously downloaded, and then pictures folder will contain screenshots. And rest usually contains stuff, assuming you have placed something in there. Otherwise, they are primarily empty. So I'm gonna go to the DCIM, and one thing that I will mention right now, it looks like screenshots are also captured onto the DCIM folder instead of the pictures, so pictures will most likely be empty. So from here, as you can see, I have a lot of photos. So what you want to do is select them. Now I'm using photos as an example, but the same process applies to any kind of other file. You basically hold it to select it like so, and from there tap on additional ones if you want to select more than one. If you want all of them, you can either tap on the three dots and go to select all, or by simply selecting the entire folder the same way as you did the file. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna select like 2 photos or 3, there we go. So once the files, folders, whatever you want to select is selected, tap on the 3 dots and choose to either move it to or copy it to. I'm gonna go with movie. Once you select one of those options, you will have the window pop up, and from here you can choose if you want to move it or copy it to internal or SD card. I'm gonna go to the SD card because the files right now are in the internal storage, and from there you can see we're now in the SD card, and here you can navigate through a folder that you want to move it to, or just simply move it directly to the SD card. Let's continue. And let's allow, and there we go, they're gone. So now if we go to the SD card, you should see them right here. And that is how you remove those files. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.